Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your WeChat glitch. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat glitch, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about the application of WeChat and you will enter. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about WeChat. If you will find here update, then you can update your application to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.